In the middle of last week, the French company distributed a crossover sketch, which reveals new features of the appearance of the future novelty. The compact SUV, which will receive a new name for the brand Austral, from the Latin australis, which means southern, will replace the Kadjar crossover. This model in the first and only generation was presented in 2015 at the Geneva Motor Show, and 3 years later received a restyling. Very soon, the premiere of the completely new Austral will take place, which will be noticeably different from its predecessor. The crossover is made in the style of the Megane E-Tech Electric hatchback, which was introduced last fall. At the same time, Austral will receive a number of features, including a large grille, which the new Megane does not have, and original LED running lights graphics. On the side, horizontal stampings located above the wheel arches can be noted. As for the back, the French company has not yet published its images, but judging by the photographs of camouflaged samples, the crossover will receive original lights made across the entire width of the stern. The interior will also be made in the style of Megane E-Tech Electric. Here is the same 12.3-inch instrument panel and a 12-inch multimedia screen visually combined with it. The crossover is built on the CMF platform, which is also used by the new Nissan Qashqai. According to available information, Austral will be offered in Europe only with hybrid installations. Among them are 2 mild hybrids, one of which is equipped with a 1.3 TCE turbo engine and a 12-volt starter generator. The second is equipped with a 1.2 TCE turbo engine and a 48-volt starter generator. There will also be a full hybrid E-Tech with 200 horsepower. The premiere of the novelty will take place on March 8. Hope you enjoyed the video. Share your comments, please subscribe our channel, and click the bell icon for notification so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching.